Okay, chapter 5.6 is about reflections. This is the definition. A reflection is the same as a flip. A reflection or flip is a transformation in which the figure is reflected on a line called a line of reflection. So this line of reflection is important. We have to understand that it is a reflection or a flip. For instance, here, the mirror line is the same thing as the line of reflection. And if you notice, the chin on the smiley face is the same distance from the mirror line as the chin on the other smiley face. They're equidistant, and if you were to check the eyeball, it's the same distance from the mirror line as this eyeball, and so on. This forehead, or top of the head, is the same distance as this top of the head from the line of reflection. And that's the important thing. Now, these look exactly the same, just flipped. And you can see that in this letter R, everything is the same except flipped. After reflection here shows that the back of the R, this side of the R becomes over here, and it's the same distance from the line of reflection. This is a relatively easy concept. You're going to be asked in this lesson to do some graphing. So you need some graph paper, and I know you already know how to plot points. The origin here in the middle, this point right here is 6, 5, which means it's 6 in the x direction, 6 this direction, and 5 this direction to get to this point. And what we should notice is that in the flipped, we're flipping about a line of symmetry. This is the x-axis, and we are flipping across that. So this distance is going to be mirrored down to this point. And you can see this point is 6, negative 5. And this point here from negative 1, 7 goes down to negative 1, negative 7. And negative 2, 2 goes down to negative 2, negative 2. And there's this feeling that you're just taking each piece and you're rotating it across, or reflecting it across this line of axis. You can do it across the x-axis. You can also do it across the y-axis. And this is sort of an example of across the y-axis because this is a vertical line. That's really all there is to it. If you can plot points and you understand an axis of rotation or line of reflection, this is the quotation that we need to understand. And that's what a reflection is. We're going to keep this lesson very short and to the point so you can get on with your work.